Why do I come here? Just reconnect to the land, to the body, to like-minded souls.
Here you can really just prioritize yourself. It's wonderful.
It's like a collective movement.
The dream was always to create a space where people can connect, expand while going within.
When you connect to souls, there's so much opportunity and capacity for new creations.
Here we are. That's the true medicine.
What is the recipe to retreat your soul?
Stunning venue, a jam-packed schedule from connecting with people, yoga, workshops, breathwork, live music, comedy, and if you want to have a little wiggle, always an option as well.
Take me to you. Waiting for you.
And let's dance.
For you. Take me to you. I'll be waiting for you, for you, for you.
I feel many times. The festival, the teaching of the yoga, the other ceremony, the cacao, the lotus, these are all excuses to get people together.
Being here especially, we just make so many new familial sort of connections. Like people become family here very quickly.
This place is really, for me, heaven on earth.
Act natural. Bam. Act like you've been there.
So my name's Charlie. I'm one of the owners of Bubanzi Wands.
Good at retreat yourself.
You take it.
You know what I love as well? It's an escape from the 9 to 5 and the school run and the office, day to day. It's lovely.
The word is, it's a heterotopia. It's like the world within worlds. You find like normal society. It's like, it's actually magical.
The freedom. Yeah.
Your third eye at me.
I want to have an individual conversation with each and single one of you. What was your highlight? What was your best thing so far?
It's up to us to keep and protect these connections because the future is human.
You are here, and so am I.